Right, I would like to share with you the microlift mosquito control. I'm having issue with mosquitoes in my Nexus 220. But I found this mosquito control from microlift. It's really nice. It's working. I've been using it for about a month and a half right now. So I don't have problem with mosquito anymore. So if you do have problem with mosquito, I highly recommend for you to get this one. It works really well, and it's supposed to be for a pond. So it works for a pond or any kind of stagnant water. If you have a like a drain that you have issue with mosquitoes or abandoned swimming pool, there's a lot of stuff that applicable to use, and it's very affordable. You get this huge, not huge, but about, let's see, it's a smaller bottle, but you don't really need a lot to use. I have a 6,000 gallon pond, so I'm only using about 30 ml every 2 weeks. So it's a good deal, and it's cheaper, and it works really well. So I recommend for you to get you a microlift mosquito control if you have problem with mosquitoes. But it's about time for us to add another mosquito control in our pond. I'm usually adding it in my filter. I have the Nexus again 220. So I add it in this section in here where the water collects. And those mainly the one that I have mosquito problem, but right now I don't have it anymore. So it's every 2 weeks. It's about time for me to add, so I'm just dropping it in there. Keep in mind our pump water is it's stopped because I'm cleaning my Nexus filter. But you don't need to stop your pump water or your filter. It's just so happened that I'm also cleaning my filter. That's why it's all off. But you can add it when your pump is open or working. And I usually just add it here in my filter, so it's easier for me to do it. So that's it. I'm pretty done with it. So it's pretty easy to use, and it's very it works really well. So try it, guys. If you have mosquito problem in any section, you can use it in any section of your house. If you have stagnant water all over your backyard, front yard, bird bath, and all that, it works. And it's safe and friendly for animals.